The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is Quezon Province!
Congratulations!
From one Manalo to another Manalo, si Atisa Manalo ng Quezon Province ang bagong Miss Universe Philippines. Ipinasa ang korona sa kanya ni Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo. Ikalawang sabak na ito ni Atisa sa Miss Universe PH. Last year, si Atisa ang Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024 at nakapasok sa top 10 ng international pageant. Habang sa Binibining Pilipinas 2018, siya ang naging pambato ng Miss International at naging first runner-up. And now that the universe finally conspired para makuha niya ang mailap na korona, si Atisa na ang kinatawan ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe 2025 this November sa Thailand.
I'm very happy, but I'm also overwhelmed. Parang hindi pa nagsisink in masyado sa akin. Finally, I'm so happy. Thank you for all the support and love. I really felt it all throughout.
At kahit nadapa siya sa evening gown competition,
Hindi ko nga alam eh. I think I'm still on adrenaline. I don't know kung kamusta yung pa ako, but laban lang.
ito rin ang naging defining moment ng strength niya sa question and answer.
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on this stage to be Miss Universe Philippines.
First runner-up si Winwin Marquez, si Iliana Marie Aduana ang second runner-up, Chelsea Fernandez ang Miss Cosmo Philippines 2025, si Gabriela Carvalho ang Miss Eco International Philippines 2025, at Miss Supranational Philippines 2025 si Katrina Liegado. Nagsilbing hosts sina Sparkle artist Gabby Garcia at Kapuso actor Sian Lim. Isa sa mga hurado ang Kapuso actress at Sangre star na si Bianca Umali.